Hello guys! Ito na, gabi na. So, nakauwi na pala ako dito sa bahay. So, sobrang tired po natin. Laban lang. Because we know that our God is big. So, babalik na naman tayo tomorrow. And, para sa pamilya, gagawin ang lahat. Kahit pagod, ay manatili tayong lumaban. At, gigising din. And always pray din. So, ayan. Nag-update lang ako sa inyo. Salamat sa inyong mga prayers. Continue praying. And we know that God is always there for us to answer our prayers.
I just want to share with you this word in Isaiah 40 verse 31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint.
So, good night everybody. God bless you.